Hello students, now we are going to discuss about sex determination in Drosophila and man in some detail. Previously we have studied the types of sex determination. It was chromosomal sex determination, genetic sex determination and environmental sex determination. So in case of how it works in case of Drosophila and man, let's see. In case of Drosophila melanogaster, which is also called fruit fly, there is a system XX and XY system and X is to A ratio system. In case of XX and XY system, presence of Y does not determine maleness. There is a genetic balance system on in which genes on autosome and genes on X chromosome define the sex in Drosophila melanogaster. In case of X is to A ratio, where X is the number of X chromosome and A is the number of haploid sets of autosome, their ratio determine which type of sex will be produced. So we can understand this by figure. This is a chromosome complements and sexual phenotypes in Drosophila. Here is the sex chromosome complement, which type of complement is found, and this is the haploid set of autosomes, how many in number these haploid sets of autosomes are there, and this is the X is to A ratio, which determines the phenotype, whether male will be produced, female will be produced, or meta female, or intersex, or meta male will be produced. Let's discuss it. If in case there is sex chromosome complement is XX and haploid sets of autosome is AA, then the ratio of X is to A will be 1 and it becomes female. In case of complement is XY and haploid set of autosome is AA, then this ratio become XA ratio becomes 0.5 and it become male. In case if sex chromosome complement is X0, there will be absence of Y or X chromosome and haploid set is AA, then ratio become 0.5 and it become male. In case of it is sex complement is XXY and haploid set of autosome is AA to A, then it become XA ratio become 1, it become female. This is the normal case. XX and XY is normal case, and in case of X0 and XXY ratio 0.5 or 1, they appear normal male, but they in nature they are sterile, they will be sterile. In case of how meta females are produced, if there is chromosome complement is XX triple X and this is haploid set of autosome is 2A, then ratio become exceed then 1, more than 1, it become 1.5 and it become meta female. And it is, if it is like this triple X and Y AA, then also XA ratio also become 1.5 and it become meta female. The value is more than 1, so these females are produced, but they have devil problems, extraordinary characters they have. And in case sometime intersex are produced, when the sex chromosome complement is XX and haploid set of autosome is 3A, then ratio become less than 1, it becomes 0.67 and intersex are produced. And in case of XO and triple A, 0.33 less than 1 value is also there, 0.5 less than 0.5, it become meta female. And in case of triple tetra X and triple A, ratio become 1.3, it will become meta female. So result of sex determination in abnormal flies confirms that Y chromosome does not determine sex in Drosophila. It is the ratio of X is to A ratio which determine the sex in Drosophila melanogaster, which also called fruit fly. We can here discuss the sex determination in humans also. Human sex determination system is XX and XY. XX is male and XX is female and XY is male. There is SRY gene which is present on Y chromosome, which determine the character of maleness. If there is absence of SRY gene, then some phenotype, abnormal phenotype are present, which can be called Turner syndrome. If there is X0, absence of Y chromosome, then offspring produce show Turner syndromes. In case of Klinefelter syndrome, there is XX and Y, or XXXY, or tetra X and Y. There is a female character is more and male character is less. So this syndrome is called Klinefelter syndrome. Sometimes poly X females are produced, some which have absence of Y chromosome, but their number of X chromosome is greater than X chromosome. In this case, we can understand how SRY gene, sex determining region Y, SRY gene is important, which is present on Y chromosome. So Y chromosome basically determine the sex in humans. This is all about sex determination in humans and Drosophila. Thank you.